Let's make an Edwardian 1912 wig. The hairstyle that I am trying to achieve combines an early form of finger waves, called water waves, at the front, and finished with different variations of puffs or curls, unsurprisingly made more achievable with the pre-made switches, wiglets, and extensions of the time. I started with an inexpensive wig and parted the front from the back to begin styling the water waves. Once the front was set, I began rolling the back into red curls. It took some time sculpting the curls, noting I'm doing a little back combing for volume before pinning up, and then sculpting the curls in different directions, letting the hair just tell me where it wants to go. Like the Edwardians, I added another switch to the hairstyle and then used that piece of braid to cover the ends and then pinned it underneath the curls. And there is my wig from 1912. I'm very excited to wear it with my 1912 wardrobe that I'm sewing on my antique 1910 sewing machine. Follow for more.